Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.